Hi guys, good morning from the headquarters on a beautiful sunny day here in sunny Mazatlan. I enlisted the help of a friend of mine, Ruben, and Ruben speaks Spanish, and he got in touch with DHL today, and the the package, the bank card I need so desperately, is sitting in Guadalajara. And they're saying, oh, we need this information. And then they popped up with a new question. They didn't want my Canadian passport number. What they wanted was my Canadian social insurance number, which you're never supposed to use for anything but social insurance. But I gave it to them, whatever it takes to get this bank card. Good Lord. And Ruben says, even though he's fluent in Spanish, he said, these guys are talking so fast, I have trouble understanding them. And I said, I know, and I tell them to slow down for me. And they don't even know what that means. Like, they can't simplify anything. They just rattle stuff off at 1,000 miles an hour in Spanish. And, oh my God, it's just becoming a desperate situation for me. And I gotta pay my friggin' rent again, 6,000 pesos, which I don't have and cannot access. Oh my God. It's just a nightmare. Oh. I'll let you know if there's any news. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.